Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Here today we are here to write the cover letter, how to write a cover letter to Schengen while applying a Schengen visa. So this is how we write a cover letter. So before this, if you haven't watched my previous video of showing all the documents that are required to apply Schengen visa, please check out my video up here. So coming to this cover letter, let's start. First you can write the heading as cover letter, then provide today's date, and we have to write to the Honorable Consulate and Embassy of France. So if we are applying from France, we need to write it as France. If you are applying from Italy, write it as Italy and write the respective country from where you are applying from. And coming to the next part, we have to write the subject. So we have to put it a short line, single liner, so it will be like short and crisp, that they will understand what you are writing this cover letter for. So here I have written that this is the application for the tourist visa to visit the Schengen region for October 10th, from October 10th to October 30th. So this is how you write a subject. Then next we have to start writing this cover letter. So here so firstly you need to mention your name out here, name, and your passport number. And if you're traveling solo, you have to mention solo. If you're traveling with your family, you have to mention their names and their passport numbers as well. So we have to write next we have to write what all places are we visiting. So here I have written it like France, Italy and Greece. France, Italy and Greece. So as tourist, on which dates I am traveling, I have put it here. You can write your respective dates. So also we are applying for a short stay single entry Schengen travel visa. So next one, here you have to write from your details. So here I've written like my trip will start on so and so date, and what is my entry point. Here it is Paris. So you can write your whatever from whichever country are you entering Europe. So here then you can write your work details. Where are you working, in which company, and from when are you working in that company, and what is your role over there, and from how many days have been in that profession, and if you are and what are your roles in that company. Next you need to mention your annual salary here, and if you have any FTs, you can write it, can mention that one also. And you need to submit the balance bank statement of the deposit, FDs, I mean deposits as in fixed deposits. Then you can you have to mention that you will be attaching the copies of all the financial documents with this cover letter as per the requirements for Schengen visa for France consulate. So then you have to mention that on which date are you returning back to India, and you need to submit the copy of your confirmed round-trip flight bookings. And also you need to mention that you need to submit the copies of your hotel bookings. And here you can see that we can attach a detailed itinerary separately, and in this cover letter you can attach a brief one. So on first day, where are you what are you doing? On the second day, where are you planning to go? And similarly until the last day, until how many days are you staying here. You can briefly explain what are you going to do on that particular day. So this is a head. And next one, so you have to mention all the documents which you are submitting along with this cover letter. So here you can see I have mentioned about all the documents briefly. If you haven't checked my if you aren't sure on what documents to submit, you can check out my video of the documents that are required for Schengen visa. I will add the video in the end screen. You can check that one out as well. So these are the documents which you can submit along with this cover letter. then you have to mention that you will be returning back for sure to India, as you have some responsibilities to do and you have to resume your company work from so and so date. So that's it. And finally you can mention your name, email address and phone number here. So this is how you write a cover letter. Anyhow, I'll attach this in the description. You can check this out. You can use it as a reference while you are applying for a Schengen visa. So yeah, that's it. So if you have any doubts, you can comment it in the comment section, and if you want a detailed video on day-to-day itinerary, please comment that saying we need that video as well. I'll try to do that one also. So yeah, that's it guys. This is it for this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Adventures Escape. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.